Hello everyone. Today we will cook pasta with vegetables. This recipe is one of my favorites. Finely chop 1 large onion for frying. Finely dice 5 large tomatoes. Grate 1 large carrot on a coarse grater. Cut 1 medium zucchini into dice. Let the tomatoes stew. Boil water for our pasta. Add ½ tablespoon of salt. Three tablespoons of vegetable oil. Fry the onion until golden brown. Periodically stir our onion. Add grated carrot. Add chopped zucchini. Add 1 can corn, 350 grams. Add tomatoes and 1 tablespoon of salt to taste. Tomatoes will add sourness to our dish, so you can either leave them out or adjust the sourness by adding some sugar. Leave to cook on low heat for 10 to 15 minutes. Meanwhile, our water for pasta boiled, so add them, 400 to 600 grams. While the pasta is cooking, let's add some dill to our frying pan. One bunch dill. Tell us what city and country you are watching this recipe from, so that I can say hello to you in the next videos. Our vegetables in the pan are almost ready. Add dill. Drain our pasta through a colander. Add our vegetables to the pasta. Mix everything well. Our dish is ready. Pasta with vegetables is one of my favorite recipes. The taste is very rich, and you always want more. This recipe is so delicious that all of my family will empty this plate in a minute. If you like this video, please like and subscribe. This is very important for the growing of the channel. Thanks for watching.